Krista, some of your barbs, if not a lot of them, have made it to the show, or some ideas for A and B plots, or how much of a, force are you behind this show here? I know you do the music.
I do the music.
She picks the song. She doesn't like.
Yeah, I don't actually play the music, but
He's like one of those one-man band guys in Venice.
all the music.
What do you think of this? 1, 2, 3, oh. My snare drum's broke.
Writing is not a strong point of mine, so I'm not a writer. And Bill mostly, I don't think I come up with ideas. I think that's why our marriage works, because if I started getting into that, I think that would
I'm
be...
so happy you said our marriage works.
I think Bill would really hate that if I was like, you know what would be a great idea for the show? But Bill mostly likes to eavesdrop. Let's say if Courtney and I are talking, Bill starts inching closer and closer, and then he has a memory like an elephant. He remembers everything in its entirety, and then writes about what we talked about, and it will be on the table. We will be Saturday night glug-glugging wine, and then Monday it's in the table read, and it's mortifying, and it's exaggerated.
Courtney is nicer in real life than her character is. Krista is slightly meaner.
That's not true.
Oh, God.